Very good. Now we're gonna relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very, very relaxed. Close your eyes. Sit on a comfortable position and relax. Relax. Very, very good. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, we're gonna go down from 20 to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Relax. Relax. Very, very relaxed. Now, we're gonna visualize a very strong energy right at the back of your head. This energy is very warm. It's going down to the back of your head, on your shoulder, your arms, going down to your fingers, your legs, your feet, all the way down to the center of the earth. Relax. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathe in. Focus on your breathing. Now, we're gonna activate the spiritual wisdom. Every day and every way, I am understanding deep wisdom. Every day and every way, I am one with the wisdom of the universe. Every day and every way, I am connected to spiritual wisdom. Every day and every way, I am clear on my understanding of spiritual wisdom. Every day and every way, I am allowing my ancient wisdom to come back into my energy. Every day and every way, I am great understanding my path to greatness. Every day and every way, I am connected to my true self. Every day and every way, I am connected to my true essence. Every day and every way, I am one with my higher self. Every day and every way, I am wise, bright, high energy being. Now, we're gonna connect with the energy of happiness through the heavenly chef. Every day and every way, I am learning to be present. Every day and every way, I am connecting with nature and my surroundings. Every day and every way, I am breathing in and out bliss in my existence here on earth. Every day and every way, I am grateful for living here. Every day and every way, I am accepting my life and opening my heart and love. Every day and every way, I am connected to humanity. Every day and every way, I am connected to my environment. Every day and every way, I am loving every human being. Every day and every way, I am connected to every living creature. Every day and every way, I am one with myself and love. Every day and every way, I am connecting with the pieces of my soul. Every day and every way, I am at peace. Every day and every way, I am loved. Every day and every way, I am connected with myself. Every day and every way, I am connecting with my other self, my higher self, my expanded and evolved self. Every day and every way, I am one with the universe. Every day and every way, I am opening my heart to love. Every day and every way, I am connecting my love. Every day and every way, I am giving love. Now let's go and activate the high vibrational energy to channel the white tiger in a positive way. Every day and every way, I am becoming aware of my internal process. Every day and every way, I am channeling the energy into solving my own life. Every day and every way, I am producing results that support my growth. Every day and every way, I am calm and peace internally. Every day and every way, I am healthy, fit, happy, peaceful. Every day and every way, I am in command of my emotions towards peace. Every day and every way, I am in command of my body creating results I want. Every day and every way, I am communicating with respect to others. Every day and every way, I am becoming aware of my internal process. Now, let's go and deactivate the low vibes from the God blade and turn them into positive. Every day and every way, I am safe. Every day and every way, I am protected. Every day and every way, I am healed. Every day and every way, I am held by my spiritual protectors. Every day and every way, I am surrounded by love and protection. Every day and every way, I am protected physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. Every day and every way, I am learning to express myself with love. Every day and every way, I am learning to communicate peacefully. Every day and every way, I am in command of my words. Every day and every way, I am in command of my expressions. Every day and every way, I am expressing myself peacefully. Every day and every way, I am loved. Every day and every way, I am expressing lovely. Every day and every way, I am at peace, protected, love, communicating peacefully. Now let's go and deactivate the low vibes from the back pocket and turn them into positive. Every day and every way, I am safe. Every day and every way, I am protected and loved by others. Every day and every way, I am healed and healing others. Every day and every way, I am held by my spiritual protectors. Every day and every way, I am surrounded by love and protection. Every day and every way, I am influencing others through my actions positively. Every day and every way, I am in control of my actions. Every day and every way, I am in command of my emotions. Every day and every way, I am radiating love. Every day and every way, others love me.